Understanding, Run on Autopilot, Simplified for English Learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, run on autopilot. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday and professional settings. Understanding it will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. So, let's get started. The phrase, run on autopilot, has its origins in aviation. In an airplane, autopilot is a system that allows a pilot to fly the plane without constantly having to control it manually. When we use this phrase in everyday English, it means to do something automatically or without much thought. For example, if someone says, "I was running on autopilot during my morning routine," it means they were doing their routine without actively thinking about each step. Run on autopilot is often used to describe situations where someone is doing tasks habitually or without full attention. It's common in conversations about work, daily life, or when talking about habits. For instance, after so many years at my job, I just run on autopilot. I was so tired this morning. I made breakfast on autopilot. In these examples, the phrase is used to convey actions done out of habit or without conscious effort. Sometimes, run on autopilot can also imply that someone is not fully engaged or is lacking enthusiasm. It's important to understand the context in which it's used. For example, lately, I feel like I'm just running on autopilot, not really enjoying my days. Here, the speaker might be expressing a sense of monotony or disinterest in their daily activities. When using run on autopilot, remember it's more appropriate for informal or casual conversations. It's a metaphorical phrase and can add a creative flair to your language. You can use it to describe your own experiences. I'm running on autopilot this week. Understand others' experiences. He seems like he's just running on autopilot. And that's all about run on autopilot. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances, and you're doing great. See you in the next video.